We all know that success won't come overnight. Success will come step by step. They don't know mistakes is a part of lesson. If you make mistakes, you will learn more and you will success because of you learn from your mistakes. If you don't make mistake, probably you won't success in your life. So mistakes is a part of lesson. So we should keep speaking, keep practicing speaking and listening every time. And we should try to speak in English 1 hour, 2 hour per day. And we all know that success won't come overnight. Success will come step by step. So it's need time. That's why we should continue our journey and we will get success. But most of the people they think success will come overnight, but they don't know success won't come overnight. Success will come later. First of all, you have to do hard work and you should practice listening and speaking. Continue. If you continue your journey, then you will get success.